This is a Philadelphia Gear 3400 series cooling tower drive. There are a whole range of sizes. This is pretty much in the middle of the range. They get much smaller, they get much larger. There is a huge population of these drives in the field. This particular box has had a high-speed bearing failure. Very obvious from the rust that either had water in the oil or it sat idle for a long time after the bearing failure. But you can see the high-speed inboard bearing is completely destroyed. When that bearing fails, the pinion shaft picks up, you lose your tooth contact and damages the gear set. It's also pretty badly corroded on the outside, pretty heavy scale damage. I'm not entirely sure whether this will end up being economically feasible to repair. Looking at the casing, possibly that the wall is very thin in a couple spots and on the upper. But this typically is a type of gearbox that's found at plants that have processes that need cooling, as opposed to a power plant that you're cooling the boiler water. So you'll see cells of these, many different kind of factories and plants.